robot arms are becoming an indispensable part of modern manufacturing industry. This technology not only helps increase productivity, but also improves product quality and reduces errors during the production process. Product quality. Robots have high accuracy, minimizing errors and ensuring uniform product quality. Reduce labor costs. Using robot arms helps businesses save labor costs and minimize risks related to labor accidents. Smart robot arms are leading a revolution in production, bringing many outstanding benefits to businesses. To make the most of this technology, businesses need to carefully consider the costs and benefits and prepare for challenges during implementation.